beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, I am India and welcome to my channel. I am an Army wife and mom to two, and as an Army family we just bought our first home. So I'm going to show you guys an empty house tour of our first home. My husband's been in the Army for 17 years, and for 17 years we have rented houses, apartments, townhouses, lived on post housing, and we finally, after 17 years, bought our own house. So we're so excited, and I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with us of how we're going to decorate and the updates on the house. So there are going to be a lot of videos to come. Let me know what type of those videos you guys like so I know what to upload or whatever. But I'm going to take you guys on a house tour. This house is over 4,000 square feet. It is 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So stay tuned. All right, this is the front door. And when you come in, there's arches. This will be the office. And then this is what it looks like this way. More arches. I love the ceiling. This is going to be kind of like a bar lounge type room. You guys tell me a better name for it, but we want to do like a pool table, a bar cabinet, like a bar table against the wall with bar stools. So trying to figure out what to name this room. And then over here we go to the butler's pantry. And we go to the kitchen. The refrigerator actually comes tomorrow. This is the kitchen. The previous owners left us some wine. So that was really nice. And then right here is I guess it's called the beverage bar or something. Then here's the pantry. Ooh, they have that already here. That's awesome. It's a little eating area. Outside is a screened-in porch. I'm not going out there because it is hot. More arches. That's the front. And we do have where we can put bar stools here. That's just a linen closet. This room right here in the floor plan is called an organization room. We are going to use it as a mud room. The previous owners used it as storage. So it's just a little small room, but it's right off of the garage. There's the garage, there's my car. So I think this would be great for a mud room. Then this is the guest bathroom. And the guest bedroom. I like that all the rooms have ceiling fans. I love that the stairs are not carpeted. So we're gonna go up here. That is going to be the game room. This is the kids' bathroom. They have double vanity. And then this is just a shower area. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms. This one will probably be my craft room because the kids chose the other room. Nice walk-in closets, nice size. And here's another bedroom. And that one has a window view, nice window view. Again, nice walk-in closet. And then the other is, this is another bedroom. And I love this one because it has a closet in, I mean, not a closet, of course it has a closet. It has a window in the closet. Very spacious. Again, game room. Then we have the laundry room. Those little doors lead into our master closets. So let's see. For our laundry. And there's a closet in here. Then the master suite. That's my stomach growling, if you guys heard that. This is the sitting room. Like, I'm way over here. This is what sold us on the house. This master suite is amazing. I love it. I love my bathroom. We have his and her vanities. That was mine. I think they call that the washing closet or whatever. Has a window in there. Then here is the closet, the shower and tub. And that's my vanity. And then this is the dressing room, and it goes to the his and her closets. So this is his closet. Little laundry door. Then this is my closet. There's the laundry door. And that's it. We love it.